Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the powerful world of guest posting and how it can work wonders for your website's rankings. Get ready to witness the magic of guest posting as we unveil the secrets to skyrocketing your website's visibility overnight. You've invested countless hours into your website, created valuable content, and optimized it to perfection. But despite your efforts, your website is buried in the depths of search engine results, lost among the competition. So, what's the secret to turning the tide and achieving top rankings? The answer lies in guest posting. Guest posting, also known as guest blogging, is the process of contributing content to other websites in your niche. It's a win-win situation for both parties involved. You provide valuable content to the host website's audience, and in return, you gain exposure, traffic, and most importantly, improved search engine rankings. The first step in the guest posting magic is to identify high-authority websites in your niche that accept guest posts. Research and compile a list of these websites, considering factors like domain authority, relevance, and audience engagement. Once you have your list, it's time to craft a high-quality guest post. Remember, quality is key. Create compelling, unique, and informative content that resonates with the host website's audience. Focus on providing value and showcasing your expertise. With your guest post ready, it's time to reach out to the website owners. Write personalized and engaging email pitches, highlighting the benefits of your guest post and how it aligns with their audience's interests. Be polite, professional, and make it clear why your content deserves to be featured on their website. Once you start receiving positive responses, it's time to celebrate. But don't stop there. Follow the guidelines provided by the host website, make any necessary revisions, and submit your guest post within the agreed-upon timeframe. Congratulations! Your guest post is now live on a high-authority website. This is where the magic happens. As your guest post gains exposure, it will attract new visitors to your website, increase brand awareness, and crucially, improve your search engine rankings. Watch your rankings soar overnight as search engines recognize the authority and relevance of your guest post. The backlinks you've included in your guest post will drive traffic to your website, signaling search engines that your website is trustworthy and deserving of higher rankings. As you continue to guest post on reputable websites, your rankings will continue to rise. Consistency is key. Maintain a guest posting strategy, keep delivering high-quality content, and watch your website climb the search engine rankings. And there you have it, the magic of guest posting. By strategically leveraging the power of guest posting, you can witness a dramatic improvement in your website's rankings overnight. So, what are you waiting for? Start your guest posting journey today and experience the enchanting results for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more SEO tips, and leave a comment below sharing your guest posting success stories. Until next time, happy guest posting!